Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kohinoor City, central office of Kohinoor City. And here today, all the real estate agents have been invited to be briefed about the city. Kohinoor City is now the talk of the town. Why? Because it is the only state of the art housing society here in this town in Chakwal city. For that reason, earlier all the Chakwalians who wanted to reside in a modern city, they do have to migrate either to the DHA or to the Bahria town. Quite contrary to all that, now all the facilities of the modern living are going to be provided here in the Kohinoor city, which is by far one of the most modern housing societies of Pakistan. And I believe that it is going to provide the Chakwalians as good a living as it is available there in the DHA or in the Bahria town or in any other better or state-of-the-art housing societies of Pakistan. I think the Chakwalians have been provided a great opportunity not only for the sake of living but also for the purpose of making the investment, because it is this investment of these people is going to be multiplied not only in the not necessarily in the decades, but maybe in the coming years only. So for all that reason, I think it would be very wise decision indeed to make the investment, whatever spare money somebody is having, to make the investment in the Kohinoor city, which is indeed the most modern city of the most modern housing society of Pakistan, or at least at par with the DHA, with the Bahria town. So that is all from here, and we will let you know all the important improvements, developments which are going on here in the Kohinoor city, Chakwal. Kohinoor city housing society is the management, the marketing team, the developers, all the people are here, and a very important meeting is going to take place with the real estate agent of the town. I am Abdul Khalik Darwesh from the Kohinoor city, Chakwal.
Here it is a gathering of, on the one hand, these are the developers of the society. On the other hand, all of these people are the real estate agent. And you can see that that is the monogram insignia of the Kohinoor city. Indeed, a greater housing society indeed. And we will show you whatever is going to be the way the city is going to be developed here in this town. And let me tell you, indeed, it is one of the finest housing societies of the country. And as far Chakwal is concerned, here in this town, Chakwal, it is indeed maybe no housing place here in Pakistan is going to be as good as this Kohinoor city. So for all that reason, I think whatever I talked about, the society earlier, it is indeed the finest opportunity for the people of Chakwal, for the people of adjoining areas to come to this place and to visit it and to occupy their place, because the rates are going to improve. And not only maybe it will not take much of the time, and your investment will keep growing, inshallah. So that is all from here at the moment. Will keep to you, keep in touch with you, and I will let you know all about the important information regarding the Kohinoor city.
اللہ تعالیٰ آپ کے جذبوں کو سلامت رکھے. آپ کی محبتوں، آپ کی چاہتوں اور آپ کا خلوص کا بہت بہت شکریہ. یقین کریں میرے پاس الفاظ نہیں ہیں جس طرح آپ تمام احباب نے یہ محبت اور یہ شفقت دکھائی ہے. اس دن بھی کچھ دوست احباب جس طرح سید ساجد حسین شاہ صاحب، قاضی عامر صاحب اور کچھ دوست احباب جن کا خیال نہیں رکھا جا سکا، کچھ مہمان ایسے آ گئے کہ وہ اسٹیج پر بیٹھے تھے، تو اس کے لیے میں انتہائی معذرت خواہ بھی ہوں اور انتہائی شرمندہ بھی ہوں. کوئی معاف کر دیں گے، اور قاضی احمد صاحب بھی اور باقی دوست احباب بھی. اللہ پاک انشاءاللہ آپ کو سدا سلامت رکھے. وہ وجہ یہ تھی کہ کچھ احباب ایسے آگے ہم نے جو اسٹیج کی سیٹنگ کی تھی اس پر کی تھی 8 بندے آپ جو مہمان آپ تھے اور 3 ہمارے مہمان تھے اور ایک خواجہ انور صاحب جو ہمارے شیو صاحب تھے اور ایک خواجہ کلیم صاحب. لیکن کچھ دوست احباب جن کریں اس دن
اپنا فنکشن تو سر میں کیتا تھوڑا بہت شکریہ. آج اس خوشی سے اسی تھوڑا شکریہ ادا کرنا ہے کہ اللہ تعالی آپ کی جتنے رکھی ہے وہ سب سن بلایا. سیشن ہے بھائی کوئی ریسیشن ہے نہیں. میں اس حقیقت سن کر دیتا کہ اوتھر ریسیشن کس بھائی تو ہوتا ہے اوتھر ریسیشن ہوتا ہے اور سیلنج دی بھائی تو ایک بار ہے وہ کی 5 سال چلی ہے تو کوئی منع نہیں ہے. اور جو غلط کرنا تو بہت کچھ مگر بہت شکریہ جناب تھوڑا.
تو انہوں نے کال کی کہ ہم